Every day, your skin is under constant attack. Stress, pollution, sun exposure, lack of sleep, and unhealthy habits accelerate damage. With age, the skin begins to lose its natural balance. Collagen breaks down through glycation. Free radicals from oxygen damage our cells, oxidizing them just like fruit. Even stem cells, the body's master builders of renewal, decline over time, leaving skin dull, sagging, and far from its youthful glow. Introducing Luminesce with advanced polypeptide technology known as APT Vita. It's the first skincare technology of its kind that naturally gets your body to use its own peptides to activate your skin's own stem cells for the most natural and safest way to rejuvenate the skin. Formulated by world-renowned cosmetic surgeon Dr. Nathan Newman, ATP Vita is the next evolution of peptide-driven stem cell-based skin rejuvenation. Designed for all skin types, Luminesce with APT Vita is more than skincare. It's a daily routine for timeless, luminous skin. The Luminesce product line contains no stem cells, no animal products, no irritating chemicals or acids, no acne-causing oils or other damaging substances. A recent Luminesce study revealed participants experienced an 87% reduction in wrinkles and 62% improvement in pigmentation. Luminesce is a complete ritual. 5 advanced formulas working together in synergy to meet your skin's needs from morning to night. Youthful Restoring Cleanser gently removes impurities and prepares your skin for renewal. Cellular Rejuvenation Serum, the heart of the line with the highest concentration of APT Vita to smooth fine lines and restore glow. Daily Moisturizing Complex SPF 30 protects against harmful UV rays while delivering lasting hydration. Advanced Night Repair replenishes and renews skin overnight. Essential Body Renewal delivers hydration and anti-aging benefits beyond your face for radiant skin from head to toe. Bella Vita's Luminesce is more than skincare. It's science, innovation, and beauty combined into one simple daily ritual. It helps restore what time and the environment takes away. Because youthful, radiant skin isn't just a dream, it's your new reality.